This video is composed of 7 minor yogi breathing exercises, bearing no special names but each distinct and separate from others and having a different purpose in view. Each student will find several of these exercises best adapted to the special requirements of his particular case. Although we have styled these exercises as minor exercises, they are quite valuable and useful, or they would not appear in this video. They give one condensed course in physical culture and lung development. Try them and decide for yourself. Exercise 1. Stand erect with hands at sides. Inhale complete breath. Raise the arms slowly, keeping them rigid until the hands touch overhead. Retain the breath a few minutes with hands overhead. Lower hands slowly to the sides, exhaling slowly at the same time. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 2. Stand erect with arms straight in front of you. Inhale complete breath and retain. Swing arms back as far as they will go, then go back to first position. Then repeat several times, retaining the breath all the while. Exhale vigorously through the mouth. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 3. Stand erect with arms straight in front of you. Inhale complete breath. Swing arms around in a circle backward a few times, then reverse a few times, retaining the breath all the while. You may vary this by rotating them alternatively like sails of a windmill. Exhale the breath vigorously through the mouth. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 4. Lie on the floor with your face downward and palms of hands flat upon the floor by your sides. Inhale complete breath and retain. Stiffen the body and raise yourself up by the strength of your arms until you rest on your hands and toes. Then lower yourself to original position. Repeat several times. Exhale vigorously through your mouth. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 5. Stand erect with your palms against the wall. Inhale complete breath and retain. Lower the chest to the wall, resting your weight on your hands. Then raise yourself back with the arms alone, keeping the body stiff. Exhale vigorously through the mouth. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 6. Stand erect with hands resting around the waist and elbows standing out. Inhale complete breath and retain. Keep legs and hips stiff and bend well forward as if bowing, at the same time exhaling slowly. Return to the first position and take another complete breath. Then bend backward, exhaling slowly. Return to first position and take a complete breath. Then bend sideways, exhaling slowly. Vary by sending right and then left. Practice cleansing breath. Exercise 7. Stand erect or sit erect with straight spinal column. Inhale a complete breath, but instead of inhaling a continuous steady stream, take a series of short, quick sniffs as if you were smelling aromatic salts or ammonia and did not wish to get too strong a whiff. Do not exhale any of these little breaths, but add one to the other until the entire lung space is filled. Retain for a few seconds. Exhale through nostrils in a long, restful, sighing breath. Practice cleansing breath. Hi, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm not going to beg or persist or force you to subscribe or like the channel. But if you feel the content is worth it, then reward it as such. Thank you so much and have a great day.